Hello guys, today we are looking at this cool Excel functionality which allows users with limited or poor visual ability. So users who probably have eye problems or who struggle to read off the screen. So it's a text to speech functionality which Excel have, which you can activate for the users who cannot clearly see on their screen or who need someone or the computer to read for them. So you can see here, let me just open my screen. You can see on my screen here, I have this shortcut already, which will read these things if I just select this text and it can read.
2, 3. These are numbers.
So as you have heard it, it was reading the text that I was selecting, and it can read anything, and it can read sentences as well, and it tries to put into phrases as
Yes.
well.
I can read.
Right? So how do you edit if it's not there already? So let me just go to customize real quick access here. So you can see here, it's already on my quick access. But if you don't see it here on my quick access, you can just go to all commands here and just look for it. Here, selecting popular commands, and you can just select all commands, and you can just look for speak cells. There it is, and you just click on add here. Once it's on add here, it will come here and you can see it. Let me just remove it. So I have removed it, and to edit I just add and it's there. Then it will pop up on your quick access bar here. Then you can just click it and it can read the text that you will be selecting. Alright, I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Also, let me know in the comment box what are your thoughts, and if you have enjoyed this video, or if you have any other contribution that you want to recommend to other YouTube viewers as well. Thank you. Bye bye.